Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about LNG liquefied natural gas. We will cover what LNG is, composition of LNG, how natural gas is liquefied, how LNG is stored and transported, and how LNG is converted back into gas. Let's begin. What is LNG? Liquefied natural gas or LNG is natural gas that has been cooled to approximately minus 160 degrees Celsius. At this extremely low temperature, natural gas changes from a gas into a liquid. When natural gas is liquefied, its volume is reduced by about 600 times. This means LNG occupies 1/600th of the space compared to natural gas in its gaseous form. Because of this massive volume reduction, LNG becomes much more efficient and economical to store and transport, especially over long distances. To understand this better, imagine this. Imagine 600 water bottles spread across a table. Liquefaction is like compressing all that volume into just one bottle. This is how LNG saves space. Composition of LNG. LNG is not single pure substance. It's mainly composed of methane about 85 to 90% and small amounts of ethane, propane, butane, nitrogen making up about 5 to 15%. Methane is the main energy carrying component of LNG. How is natural gas liquefied? Natural gas is liquefied in a special facility called a liquefaction plant, also known as an LNG train. The liquefaction process consists of three main stages. Stage 1, pre-treatment. In the pre-treatment stage, impurities are removed to protect equipment and prevent freezing. These include dust and solid particles, free water and condensates, hydrogen sulfide, mercury. If not removed, these contaminants can cause corrosion, blockages, and serious damage, especially to aluminum cryogenic heat exchangers. Stage 2, acid gas removal and dehydration. In this stage, carbon dioxide is removed using amine absorption system called acid gas removal or AGR. Water vapor is removed using adsorbents. Removing CO2 and water is critical to prevent ice formation during liquefaction. Stage 3, heavy hydrocarbon removal and liquefaction. Next, heavy hydrocarbon known as C5 plus are removed by fractionation. The gas is pre-cooled to about minus 35 degrees Celsius using propane refrigeration. The gas then enters the main cryogenic heat exchanger or MCHE. Inside the MCHE, natural gas is cooled, liquefied and subcooled to temperature as low as minus 160 degrees Celsius. A mixed refrigerant system provides the cooling. Small amounts of flash gas and boil-off gas are produced and reused as a fuel for compressor and turbines. This is how LNG is produced. How is LNG stored? LNG is stored in full containment storage tanks, typically with a capacity of around 160,000 cubic meters. How is LNG transported? LNG is transported using specialized double hull LNG carriers. The double hull design provides additional safety and protection against leaks or damage during transportation. How is LNG converted back into gas? At the receiving terminal, LNG is converted back into a gas in a process called regasification. This is done using heat exchangers, commonly by two methods. Number 1. Submerged combustion vaporizer or SCV. A small portion of LNG is burned. The heat produced is reused to vaporize the remaining LNG. Number 2. Open rack vaporizer or ORV. Amine water such as seawater or river water is used as the heat source. LNG enters from the bottom and exits as a gas from the top. The water is then returned to its sources. To summarize, LNG is natural gas cooled to minus 160 degrees Celsius. Its volume is reduced 600 times. LNG is mainly methane. Liquefaction involves pre-treatment, impurity removal, cryogenic cooling. LNG is stored in full containment tanks, transported by double hull ships and regasified before being supplied to users. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Do comment if you want to know such other industry process.